Hey guys, I'm Chef Kevin Gillespie. Thank you so much, ShopRite and Coca-Cola. Today, we're gonna do a cut of steak that is maybe something that you haven't done before, but is one of my personal favorites, flank steak. We're gonna serve it today with a great garnish called chimichurri sauce. To get started, and this is something I like to do for anything going on the grill, I dry it off. Take a paper towel and literally blot it dry on the outside. And you wanna do this to both sides of the steak or whatever it is that you're cooking too, by the way. Once it's dry on the outside, we can go ahead and season it. And remember, when we're grilling something, the grates on the grill cause a lot of the seasoning to fall off. So we wanna make sure that we kind of, if anything, over season it a little bit. So let me show you what I mean by that. Really big pinch of salt and shake it all the way over. Make sure the entire surface is covered really good with salt. Then we're gonna add a few grates of our bowl and basket peppercorns. So again, you want plenty of seasoning all over the surface, all the way around. And again, both sides of this. We gotta make sure that we season both sides the same way. We're gonna put this onto our grill and it's gonna cook for about 2.5 to 3 minutes each time before we turn it. We're gonna turn it a total of 4 times for this thing to be finished. We wanna cook this steak quickly because we wanna serve it at medium rare. All right guys, so while our steak is cooking on the grill, let's go ahead and make our chimichurri sauce. The first ingredient for it is gonna be our red onion. We want everything to be really small because we want it to marinate evenly, and we want it, when you bite into it, we want it to be a really nice bite. The next ingredient for our chimichurri is gonna be roasted red pepper. Now these are something that I like to buy these already roasted in the jar. I find they're a lot easier to work with, and I like to add some dried oregano. I like a little bit of chili flake, but not too much. I don't want this to be ultra spicy. I just want a little bit of heat. I like some cracked black pepper in here as well. I like red wine vinegar in mine. We need a big pinch of salt in here as well. We need garlic in our chimichurri to round out the flavors. 2 cloves of garlic should be plenty. So now this mixture right here needs to sit for just a couple of minutes. The last couple of ingredients that we need for the chimichurri, the most important ingredient that we need for it is fresh parsley. This is always the backbone of a chimichurri because the fresh herbs that go in this are really what's gonna wake this up. It's what's gonna make this dish really have a dynamic flavor profile. We're just trying to make it a little bit smaller, but we don't want to lose the really fresh flavor that it has by over chopping it. So for a great chimichurri, you gotta have a great olive oil. This is probably the second most important ingredient next to the parsley going in this. I like a really nice extra virgin olive oil. If the time has come, let's slice this bad boy up and take a look at it. I'm slicing this across the grain here, guys, and that just helps make this a little bit more tender. And then let's take our chimichurri sauce. Just give it a good stir up right before you serve it. Make sure everything is mixed together and right over the top. Just really, really pretty stuff. The flavors of the chimichurri with their herbaceous notes go really perfectly with the Aha lime and watermelon. I hope you guys try this one at home. Until next time, happy grilling.